Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve one important Leetcode coding question 2415 reverse odd levels of binary tree. So we are going to understand the logic to solve this problem today. We are also going to implement the Java solution to solve this problem today. Before we start looking into the details of this problem with some examples, I would like to quickly mention that this channel is to help people in their coding and Java interviews. On this channel, you will find more than 500 coding problems solved and explained with examples and Java code. Those are the problems taken from previously asked coding interview questions by big tech companies including Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo and many others. So if you are planning for any interviews, you want to prepare for interviews or you want to learn different concepts of Java programming algorithms, data structures, then this channel can definitely help you in doing so. So please subscribe to this channel now. So let's start with the problem reverse odd levels of binary tree. Given root of a perfect binary tree, reverse the node values at each odd level of the tree. For example, suppose the node values at level 3 are they have given these node values and these node values should be reversed like this, right? So 18 will go first, then 29, then 11, like this. Return the root of the reverse tree. A binary tree is a perfect if all parent nodes have two children and all leaves are on the same level. The level of a node is number of edges along the path between it and the root node. So they have shown us some examples, so it will be more clear. So as you can see, this is the example one. So this is, let's start with this root as a level 0, right? So the first odd level is this, right? Odd level we have to reverse. So this is the odd level 3 and 5. So we have reversed this, right? So 5 went at 3 and 3 went at 5. Then this is another example. So 13 and 11 is the odd level. We have reversed it. So 11 and 13 like this. Number of nodes in the tree is in the range of 1 to 2 raised to 14. Node value will be between 0 to 10 raised to 5 inclusive, and root is a perfect binary tree. Okay, so these are the constants that's given to us. So let's understand the problem with some examples so it will be more clear to you. So let's take one example over here, right? So what they are saying is the root start at level 0. So this is level 0. Okay, this is level 1, right? This is level 1, this is level 2, correct? This is level 2, then this is level 3, this is level 4. Okay, so they are saying that you should reverse the nodes in odd levels. So odd level is what? Level 1, level 3, these are odd levels. So what we have to do is basically what problem asking us to do is take this 3, put it here, so this one will become 3 and this 2 will go here, so this will become 2, right? This is what they are saying. So we have reversed it, right? Now for this L3, which is another odd level, what we will have to do, so it is, if you go from left to right, it is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? So we have to reverse this value. So what you will do, you put 15 here, then 14, right? Then 13, right? 13, 12, 11, 10, here 10, then here 9 and here 8. Okay, here 8. So this is how you want to reverse the level basically. So this is what the problem is. So problem is pretty clear and straightforward. The description is straightforward. So what we have to do to solve this kind of problems, what we will do is we will use a very famous technique called as BFS, right? Breadth first search or breadth first traversal. BFS uses queue, right? And what we will do in BFS is we will go level by level, right? BFS is also called as level order traversal because we go level by level in the binary tree, right? So whenever we are going level by level, we will capture all the list of the nodes on that level. For example, when you go to level 1, you will capture the list of 2 comma 3. This is the list, right? And you will also maintain one big list of all the levels, right? For example, you will maintain list of all the levels. So for level 1 you have 1, for level 2 you have 2, 3, right? This list you will maintain, right? For level 2 you have 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, like this you will maintain all this list basically. Then for level 3 you have 8, 9, 10, 11, right? 12, 13, 14, 15, correct? So this is what you will have basically. So you are maintaining the list of all the values that we have seen in that level. And what we will do after the BFS is done, we will go through this list, and whenever we find out the odd level, this is the odd level basically, right? How we will identify odd level? This mod 2 is equal to, if it is not equal to 0, it is odd level. For example, this is odd level, this is odd level, correct? Sorry, this is odd level. Yeah, this is odd level, right? So we will just reverse these levels using collections dot sort reverse order, right? So we can just reverse this list. This is a list of linked list of integers basically. So you will just reverse this. So it will become 3 comma 2, right? This will become 15, right? 14, then 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, right? So this is how it will become after you reverse this, right? Other things you will not change. This one you will not change, right? This is a even level. This one you will not change. This is even level. You will change. You will only reverse the odd levels in that list, right? So now you have reversed it. Now again we have to put these reverse nodes back into the original tree. So again we will do the BFS for that, right? Again we will do the BFS, and we'll go again level by level. So this node will put it as it is using the BFS, right? We'll go to the left side and right side of these nodes, right? Because these nodes we will put it into the queue. So now this is the reverse, like this is the odd level that we want to reverse. So we know what the reverse order is here. We know this order here, right? So we have to just put it here. We will put 3 then 2, right? This level we don't have to do anything because this is a even level. Again we go to the odd level, this level, right? Now we have to again put this reversed order. This is the reversed order that we have calculated here already. So we have to only put this order there, right? So 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, right? So you have to only put this order. And then you have to just return the root of the reverse tree, and that should solve the problem. So that is how you can reverse odd levels of binary tree. So this is the approach and logic to solve this problem. So we are going to go through the Java code, then it will be more clear to you. But first thing we will do is we will do the BFS. We will capture all the list of these nodes, right? So as I shown you 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 like this, right? After that one is done, after the BFS completes, we will go to the odd levels in this list. This is list of integers, not nodes, right? This is list of integers, and we have to only reverse it. So we have reversed it as I shown you here, right? So 2, 3 became 3, 2. Then this one will become this one, right? After you reverse it. Now this reversal is done. Now the third step, this is second step. Now third step is we have to again go through the tree and we'll do the BFS. And for all the odd levels, we will take this order that we have already reversed here, right? And we will put that order there, right? So this way you can easily reverse the odd levels. So now we will go to the code so it will be more clear to you. So this is the method reverse odd levels. Here we get the root of the binary tree. We return a tree node, which is again a root of the after we have done the reversal, right? Here we are going to create list of integers, right? Which is another array list, right? So as I shown you here, this is the list of integers that we have seen, right? So this is what we have created here. We'll create a queue that will hold tree node objects, right? Because we want to do BFS, and we will start adding the node into the queue, right? Because we have to add something so that we can do the BFS, right? And this is the place where our BFS starts. This is our first BFS. So what we will do in this BFS, we will capture all the nodes on that levels like this, right? Into our list, right? Into our list. So this is what we are doing, right? Queue is not empty. We'll read the size on that level, and we want to process that size, that many elements for that level, right? That's why we always first read the size from the queue, and we will create a list of integer nodes on that level, right? It is an array list. We will go through all the elements on that level, all the nodes on that level, and we will add them into these nodes on that level, right? List here. So as you can see, we add the current node here. We remove first from the queue, we add it into the current node level, right? And after that we go to the left, we go to the right. If those children are present, we will add it into the queue, correct? and this is how the BFS works. And here we add this list that we have created for this level into our original list. This is the result is the original list, right? It is list of integers, correct? So that's why we are adding this list that we have created. So this is how the list will be formed basically, as I shown you here, right? So now the list is formed. So what we have to do, so this is the place where our first BFS now ends. This is the place where BFS ended. Now we have to go through this result list and we have to go to all the odd levels. So we are going to all the odd levels here. And what we are doing, we are taking the list of that odd level and we are reversing it. How we are doing it? Collections dot reverse. It will reverse the list basically, right? I mod 2 is 1. It means that it is an odd level, and we have reversed the list. So this is exactly what I shown you, right? This 3 2, this is the reverse list, this one is the reverse list, right? So this one we have done. So this part is done. Now we have to put these nodes back into the tree, right? So that's what we will do. Now this is part 3. So q dot add, again we will add the root, right? Because now we have to put those nodes back into the tree. So we'll add root. Our level is 0 currently, and again our BFS starts, right? This is our second BFS now. So I'll just write down a comment for you here. So this is our second BFS. So while queue is not empty, we'll read the size of the queue. We get the nodes from the queue, and we actually now this list is actually our correct list after we have done the reversal. This is how the tree should look like basically, right? So 1 is correct, we have not done any changes. This list, this level we have reversed, right? So it became 3 2. Then this one we did not do any change. 4 5 6 7 will remain as it is. So this one we have changed basically, right? So this one is 3 2. This one we have changed, so it will be 15 14 13 12 10 11 10 9 8, right? So now this is the correct list that we will use to populate the nodes in the tree. So this is what we are doing, right? So we are reading the element from the list. Result dot get level get I. So we are reading the nodes from the list. So basically you already have handled the reversal part in this result list. So we are just putting those values into these nodes now, correct? So that it will put the correct values into the nodes of the tree. And we'll go to the left side if the left side exists, right? If you will go to the right side if the right side node exists, right? And after this one BFS iteration is done, we have to increment the level. So first level is 0, then it will be 1, then it will be 2, and reversal part we have already finished here, right? So you don't have to do reversal now. Only thing is we have to now use this result list to put those values into the tree, right? So that is what we are doing here, and at the end you have to just return the root of the tree, and that should give you the reverse tree for all the odd levels. Okay, so this is the way you can solve this coding problem. So these are 3 parts. So we'll do a quick recap before we submit this code. So in the part 1 we have done a BFS and we have captured all the nodes on every level. Okay, so we got the list of integers here. So after this first BFS, now we have, this is the part 1. Now part 2 is we have gone through that result list and we have gone through the odd levels. We have reversed those levels. This is the part 2. Now we are just going, now part 3 is we are again going using the BFS. We are going through the tree and we are putting the this result list nodes there, right? And it will automatically handle the reversal because it's already done here, right? So let's run this code, make sure it gets accepted and works correctly. So we'll try. So now we are getting correct answer. We'll try with all the test cases once. So as you can see, we are getting correct answers, right? So we'll just go ahead now, submit this code, make sure it gets accepted. So the code got accepted as you can see here. Let us try to resubmit it. These numbers are not correct, I think. See, now the numbers are changed. So the code is 25% faster than other submissions and 9% faster on the memory usage. So the code is successfully accepted. This is a much cleaner approach to solve this problem. So I just wanted to show you how you can use this BFS and this collections reversal, and then you can just put it back into the nodes into the tree, right? So this is the way you can solve this interesting and important coding interview problem, which is pretty recent on Leetcode, reverse odd levels of binary tree. So I hope you understood this approach completely. If you are new to this channel, there is a very important coding interview related playlist for you on this channel. The name of that playlist is Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. We have compiled more than 250 different varieties of most important coding interview questions for you under one playlist there. Those are the coding questions that got asked by many big companies including Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo, Netflix, LinkedIn and many others many times in many past interviews. So those are very important coding interview problems. Make sure you go through those problems, make sure you understand the logic behind the solutions for those problems, and also make sure you check out the Java solutions, how they are implemented. All the Java code is available in the GitHub repository. If you go through those videos, you are going to learn a lot about data structures, algorithms, problem solving, logic building, as well as how to approach and solve difficult coding problems, how to apply different techniques to solve different varieties of coding problems. It will also help you learn a lot of Java programming and coding there. If you go through those videos, you will get to know about what are the frequently used Java classes and APIs that we often need during the implementation of different concepts and different solutions. So make sure you check out those important coding problems there. The name of the playlist is Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. Now, if you still want to practice more coding problems for your learning purpose or for your practicing purpose, then there are three other major playlists for you on this channel. The names of those playlists are Code Forces, Code Chef, Coder. Code Forces, Code Chef, Coder. More than 500 problems are available here to help your interview preparation and learning process. If you are a Java J2E developer, then there are Java J2E specific interview related videos to help people on this channel. For example, frequently asked telephonic Java interview questions and how to answer them. Java design patterns, Java architecture. Questions about SQL programming, where they will give you database tables populated with data and they will ask you to write SQL queries. So we have created videos to show you what kind of questions typically get asked, so you will get more idea about it, so you can prepare well. There are also other videos about Unix, for example Unix commands, Unix utilities, shell scripting questions, because those questions also get asked to the Java developers in the interview. So make sure you check out those important videos as well. I am going to add this Java code for the reverse odd levels that we implemented using BFS today in my GitHub project. I'll give you the link of the GitHub account repository, so you can check out the code there. There are lots of other important Java algorithms and solutions implemented there that you may want to check out. You can learn more Java there by going through those going through those codes. If you like the Java solutions on the GitHub project, consider giving it a star on the GitHub project. That would be great. If you like this video, if you find this video helpful, and if this video has helped you in understanding how to solve this coding problem, Leetcode 2415 reverse odd levels of binary tree in an easier and better way with this explanation, examples and Java code, then please give it a thumbs up to the video, give it a like to the video, subscribe to this channel. Subscription is very important because that is the way the videos can reach to many other people. They can also watch these videos and learn from these videos. So if these videos are has helped you in understanding this problem, then do give it a like. Do also subscribe to the channel. Whenever we come across important coding problems, we often create videos on this channel to help others learn how to solve those problems and to help others learn applications of data structures and algorithms in those problem solving. So make sure you click on the bell notification icon so you won't miss any important interesting videos from this channel. If you like the videos on this channel, if the videos on this channel are helping your learning process, you are learning new techniques, something more about data structures and programming and Java, then don't forget to mention that by writing a comment on these videos. Your comments are very important for us. That increases our motivation to create more such good quality content. So if these videos are useful and helpful for you, then do mention that into the comments. Share these videos as much as you can with your friends, so others people can also watch these videos. They can also learn new techniques from these videos. The main goal of the channel is to help people in their learning process and in their interview preparation process by creating content that others can use to prepare well. They can also use it to learn different concepts of computer science and new paradigms. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and most importantly, keep your learning process going on continuously. And thanks for watching this video.